The silent way. This method is capitalized on discovery learning. The silent way is the name of a method of a language teaching devised by Khalid Gatigno. It is based on the premise that a teacher should be silent as much as possible in the classroom, but the learner should be encouraged to produce as much language as possible. The silent way is based on the following learning theories. Learning is facilitated if the learner discovers or creates. The teacher and the learner work cooperatively to reach the educational desired goal. The learner is not a beach-bound listener, but an active contributor to the learning process. Learning is facilitated by accompanying physical objects. The silent way uses colorful charts and rods which are of varying lengths. They are used to introduce vocabulary and syntax. Learning is facilitated by problem solving involving the material to be learned. This can be summarized by Benjamin Franklin's words: "Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn." A good silent way learner is a good problem solver. The teacher's role resides only in giving minimum repetitions and correction, remaining silent most of the times, leaving the learner struggling to solve problems about the language and get a grasp of its mechanism. How is the silent way applied? Here is an example. Small color rods are used to introduce vocabulary, colors, numbers, adjectives, verbs, and syntax. The teacher provides single-word stimuli or short phrases and sentences once or twice, and then the students refine their understanding and pronunciation among themselves with minimal corrective feedback from the teacher. From the example, it is clear that the students are taught independence and responsibility, but like Suggestopedia and CCL, the silent way was criticized to be too harsh as a method because the teacher was too distant and that students were left to themselves to discover the answers to their own questions, spending long hours which could easily be given by the teacher.